Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Ensure the NetMirror service is active and the management host can reach the mirror endpoint. Check network connectivity with ping and DNS resolution, and confirm firewall rules allow the NetMirror ports. Once done, collect the key logs and service status so you have context for errors. This saves time troubleshooting. Make sure clock sync is correct and any recent configuration edits are noted, because mismatched settings often cause failures. You now inspect configuration and perform a controlled sync. Open the NetMirror config and validate syntax and target paths. Incorrect paths or typos are common causes. Run the manual sync with verbose or debug flags so you can see protocol steps and error messages in real time. While the sync runs, check disk space and node counts on the mirror target and confirm file system permissions allow NetMirror to write. Missing space or perms will abort replication. You complete the fix by applying the targeted changes. Update configuration, clear or expand disk space, set proper ownership and permissions, then restart the NetMirror service to apply them. Rerun a full sync and verify checksums and file counts match the source so you know replication succeeded. If it still fails, increase the debug level and capture filtered logs focused on the failing phase. This focused evidence is the single most useful troubleshooting tip when
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.